Today we're installing an auxiliary cable on my 2005 Acura TSX. So first thing you do is take out the storage bin. Just open like so. Grab it. This should be like something to grip under the cover here, the door. So just pull it out firmly towards you. Shifter. So after you remove the storage bin, the harness should be right under here, right there. But apparently something's installed in there already, and it's this box right here. So I'm not really sure what this is. I think it's also some sort of media player that the previous owner installed, but it only has computer and these other audio, so I'm gonna switch it out with this. So I have an iPhone, so I'm gonna be using this adapter. It's a lightning cable to an auxiliary. So here's how it looks. Plugs into the auxiliary and goes into your iPhone. If you have an Android, using the Android plug. Or most Androids still have the auxiliary, I think. So I'm going to put this box deep inside here, away from everything. And I'll feed the auxiliary cable through to this box, and I'll drill a hole in the back of this box and just put my phone in here. So I drilled the hole a little bit bigger because I want to feed the phone charger through it as well. So I feed both cable through the storage bin. And the USB doesn't play music. If it does, it's it's way better. That way you could charge and listen to music, but it doesn't. And this model doesn't have Bluetooth. There are some that has Bluetooth, but I read a lot of bad reviews with them. They have like these static noise. A lot of them seems to have static noise. At least the cheaper one. But with this one, it seems to be, the best one with the USB. That way you could just buy a Bluetooth adapter for the AUX. So we just feed everything back in. Hide it. So it'll be like this. Cable is supposed to stick out like this. And let's hear how it sounds. So I forgot to mention, the device won't power on if it's on radio or these other settings. You have to click this auxiliary or CD. Here we'll test if the charging works. Okay, it works. And then we'll try the music. So it works pretty well. And that's pretty much it. I believe this is only for the 2005 and newer. I think there's some later 04 that might have it. And to tell that, it's either you see if you have this auxiliary button, or just check under your, under the radio. But if you find this video helpful or entertaining, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.